went into a store called Vintage
What the fuck?
Despite the fact that he had been required to undergo
that Prius was an asshole.
after making menacing and violent comments to high school classmates, that did not trigger the red flag for New York City. How about we go with Peter Barnes at Bitter Peter on Twitter, who
It must be hard to pull in all the way.
Hey, how'd you know?
How'd you know? Because you're sticking out. What? I'll get it.
to this experience taking place? Like, where do your experiences happen?
Oh my god, dude.
Wrong way, shit biscuit!
Wrong side!
I mean, I don't mean...
Supposed to ride with traffic, walk against traffic. Wow. Very well done. Just cut everybody off. I'm the most important.
You would have been gone with the wind.
All right.
You would have been gone with the wind.
How does it work? But no, only give us one fucking dot.
Also, back to the like human animation thing. I cannot remember for the life of me in that scene with a crowd of people and Jesus.
Do something.
Any of their faces. Do you guys remember?
Why aren't we going?
Jesus on the side and the weird, like, it looks like googly eyes on a post.
See, you can just go around.
So fucking bad.
How good are people at changing lanes?
The rest of it, we see him from behind.
Not very.
We see, like, a faceless mass of people and probably, yeah.
Hey, are you?
Yeah.
Hi.
You?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing well, thanks.
Awesome. All right, we're going to.
These nuts.
Yeah.
Right.
Here's
Cool.
the thing, Charles. Here's the thing. That I have no reason to, right? So in the same way, I've never seen any miracles. I have never seen anything that could be explained by natural means. Or
You're not be doing what I think you're doing.
Done somewhat within natural means. You don't have a complete explanation for everything.
Motherfucker.
Supernatural is usually a
It's not like this is a major road or anything.
No.
Right? Like, it's very cynical to a good standard of evidence. Why not? It was good enough for Jesus. Why not? That's what Jesus did. It's a historical claim, and it's not it's a historical claim now. It's only a historical claim now.
Nope,
Charles.
not even looking.
Charles,
What is she even doing?
now because nobody can do it.
Who even knows?
Nobody can
I never know anymore.
That's true.
People just do whatever they want.
No. It's gotten really bad.
Yeah.
Because she is definitely the little princess.
You're stupid.
The funds will actually flow to those schools and what that might mean for those schools. But you can easily see, especially with this school,
Why?
those schools turning around and say, no, that is our religious belief. You have to let us do that.
What are you
and
doing?
You've already said you have to fund us. You can't force us to do that. So I think it's a little bit of a distinction without a difference coming, especially since the court already decided it. But one thing that our groups, the secular movement, Americans United, all these different groups, American Atheists, have argued is that if we're going to send public funds to private religious schools, then that means public standards, public regulation, public accountability is coming too. That is theoretically an open question moving forward that you're going to see a clash on.
I'll wear the Megatron hat on that one. But
Right there with you.
but good argument, and I guess where I want to kind of close, I love that you are always thinking about ways that we can be active and take our moment of despair, but then pick ourselves back up the pavement.
You're in the way.
The trenches and do the hard work.
That's where that direction of traffic goes. This side is where this direction goes.
And I
Now you're blocking that guy. I would like you to go on the correct side. You know how directions work?
You alright?
Huh?
You gonna be alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything is okay.
B-roll. B-roll footage of the woods.
And a victorious. You're ready.
Careful.
Yes.
He literally shoots.
God, I hate that intersection.
Sexual abuse cases committed by his own church's staff members. He told his congregation that a staffer was fired over a sin issue, when the issue was that the staffer secretly taped another pastor taking a shower at his house. There was another international mission where a member who was like a 16-year-old girl and was allowed to resign.
Yes. It's my younger sister. My younger sister was raised ridiculous and she is already.
So the vocal folds are down here going waka 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 at a particular speed, and the ventricular folds on top of that add a little waka waka on top. So, nerd.
But at one point, there's like frothing about something in the living room while she was there. I was like, can you put me?
Or a mouthful.
And we're joined by delightful ace associate Morgan Stringer. Always a pleasure to have you on the show. How you doing, Morgan?
I'm doing well. Watching baseball and melting in the heat.
What are you
The
doing?
two-time honored ways of disconnecting from the Supreme Court taking out a contract on every man, woman, and child in America. So good luck on that. Morgan, we wanted to have you on. There's a
Driving.
pop law claim that is circulating out there.
Sure what
that
you were
Joe
trying to
Biden has
accomplish.
banned cigarettes and jewels and all tobacco products. What's going on?
Yes, so I've been seeing a bunch of tweets that have been going around, particularly amongst, the more further left, the DSA types. And I can
What are you
see
doing?
where you would think that, if you've ever been to a DSA meeting, I can see where you'd think it was sponsored
What are you
by
doing?
people in American spirit. So, that take is not particularly surprising.
There's literally
to
a
me.
spot right there.
But yeah, some people on the take say, we can't get guns regulated, but yet he's going to ban jewels and nicotine and cigarettes, which, those aren't related. But yeah, so it's a broad sweeping claim. So I thought
Very
it
good.
was a radical claim that Biden is banning nicotine vapes or even cigarettes. So
Sure, exceptions for rape and incest. The extreme examples. Let's make sure that's legal across the country. Have a standalone vote.
Good job pulling in. There's no one in
To
there.
get everyone on the record so that if
No one in the
says,
car.
Nope, I'm fine with all that stuff. You gotta force them to give birth.
But he explains he's not a Christian because he got kicked out of Christianity for chewing gum. Harry explains that hashtag not all Christians, right? Because there's also this weird moment where
Didn't
she's
even
like,
look.
well, it seems like if you got kicked out of Christianity for
They
just that,
looked
it's so
to
bad,
their
but
right,
you were just
not to
looking
my
for an
left.
excuse to not go to church. I'm like, that's an awfully.
Didn't have sufficient minimum contacts with state. And we talk about that all the time, like in connection with, the emerging rules on interstate commerce.
I wonder what no parking means. No one in there.
I'm getting paid overtime for this, right, Mr. Krabs?
Get yourselves organized down there.
Wrong way, asshole! No headlight either. That's real smart.
American public is still overwhelmingly on the side of abortion rights. Hell, even 43%
Oh
of
my
Americans
God.
oppose overturning it. But despite that, the Christian zealots in government are getting awfully brazen about advocating for it. For
Turn
the
your
most
lights
part,
on.
Their efforts in bullshit platitudes
Nope.
about safety standards and the sanctity of issue.
Nope.
Turn your lights on. You. Thank you. You're welcome. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay. Good job paying attention. I can't have a protected green, and you also have a green. Not possible. Multiverse.
that moved around. And then there's suddenly, 10 to the 80 new pieces of information, or you could just pull up one piece of
Why are you trying to unload right there?
Where's the granularity?
Why?
A thing to know.
For the sake of
Why is it always right at that
for the
corner,
sake of letting
too?
you go down the
What are you doing? What are you accomplishing right now? Okay. Oh my God.
Alright.
There they go.
Commit a misdemeanor, you're only going to be
You're
put away
charged with the misdemeanor.
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, so it's sort of a piggyback.
It ratchets down.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I read that and I go, well, providing a fake lawyer to intimidate your witness sure seems like at minimum, because even if you can't win, suppose you sever the link, right? Show that that there was no corrupt intent. Again, we're talking worst case scenario. You show there's
Stop
no
in the middle of the street when there's parking on both sides.
Seems like
makes sense.
Planning to stick shit that you want to say there. Nobody's
Oh
stopping
no,
you,
here
man.
in the red
It's
light.
not my fault, Ryan, that nobody's listening
On a
to
bicycle.
You know what, man? If you were a big fucking deal with a bunch of big fucking ideas, I'd be begging to use your
That's the
fucking
wrong
platform and sending you a shitty email
That's
about
the wrong
how
way.
tiny my dick is.
Guys, straight up on the wrong side of the road. Yes, I cut over multiple lanes. I made sure there was no one behind me. Yep, person going the wrong way.
I don't know what the function of an idea that's supposed to be. Like, imagine you had a bit like biography, say, like, and there was
Cyclists tell them off?
people, and there was
Wrong way, fucking idiot. Just sticks his tongue out at me. Show how much you care. What are you doing? Why are we stopping? Gotta let ghosts cross the road too. Oh my god. Look at all this shit. Why are you parked here? That's right. Keep going.
This is.
You're in the middle of the street. You're double parked. You can't park here. That doesn't matter. No, you go. You're blocking the road. So angry. Hey, thanks for parking in the middle of the road. Good job. Yay.